Are you ready for Windows 10? Qualified Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 device can upgrade their PC for free. The offer ends on July 29th, 2016. Here is the Windows 10 upgrade offer details. Number 1. This free upgrade offer is for full version of Windows 10, not a trial. Number 2. 3 GB of background downloading is required. Number 3. Once you upgrade, you have Windows 10 for free on that device. Number 4. Windows 10 upgrade offer is valid for qualified and genuine Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 device. After July 29th, you need to purchase Windows 10 Home for $119 and Windows 10 Professional for $199.99. That is why I have created this course for you. Don't miss this opportunity.